Right, Legis. Can everybody hear me? Right, Legis. Can everybody hear me? Okay, I think we are live. Let's start. Uh, Let me notify everyone first that we are live. Okay, we should be good to go. Hello, guys. How are you? How are you, my friend? How are you, my friend? Okay, let's start the stream now. I think we have enough members. Hello, guys. Hello, everybody. Visual plays Nez, Dhruv, Fan Eater. I'm very good. So let's start. Let's start the economics. Let's start breaking down things from the very basics. Let's see where we are, where we want to go. Let's see. Okay. I think everybody is good. Okay. Good. Let's kick off the stream now. Let's start with Dixie. Okay. Let's start with Dixie. Dixie, the good old Dixie. Or which we should start with our trades. I think we should start with Dixie. So where we are right now, let's see. Hope here. Good, Hope. Good to see you. Good to see you, Shubham Nayak. Shubham Nayak, not Nayak. ओके पहले थोड़ा लेवल्स मार्क कर लेते हैं अपन उसके बाद देखते हैं कि कौन से लेवल्स कितने इंपॉर्टेंट है कैसे अपन उसको आने वाले टाइम में प्ले करेंगे ओके फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट यू गाइस टू अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग understand one thing. Okay, let me do this. Okay, we have 6 viewers. Good. Let's understand where what were the confluences and what are the confluences right now. If I show you guys this thing, so we have a double top or we have a kind of accumulation pattern here, and then when market broke out of the structure, what did we saw after that? We retested the zone, we retested the highs, and then we gave another rally. Correct. तो अगर अपन इस पर्सपेक्टिव को देखते हैं, what if we see this? Okay, if I mark this zone, the 100 level, okay, the main levels are in this tab, but अगर अपन सब कुछ starting से mark करें, so first main level is this roundabout 100 region. Correct. So if I mark this zone, if I see this zone, I understand one thing that मार्केट इसके ऊपर बस 2 बार डिविएट हुआ है एंड जो रियल टॉप था वो यही था. क्यों? क्योंकि मार्केट बार बार इधर टैप हुआ है. इज दिस क्लियर? इफ दिस इज द टॉप, then what are the confluences that we are going up or down from this level? If market comes around this level and it creates a good, like something like this accumulation, correct, it can happen like this and then we can go higher, or it can happen like this deviation, get back in the range and we can go higher. Why I am saying this? Because whenever market breaks the structure, it comes and retests the zone and make another high. अगर ये वाला पर्सपेक्टिव लेकर अगर अपन चलते हैं, okay, there is a possibility that it comes down and we trade in this range. But if you know the macroeconomics, what is going in the world, then you will understand that sooner or later, if we don't see any positive news, then of course we are going down. We are going into not specifically a recession, but a very tough period for the economy. So let's see how it plays. Other than that, okay, if I mark the levels very sharply, you'll notice one thing. Okay, इफ आई शो यू दिस, ओके, जब जब डॉलर रैली करा है ना, जब जब डॉलर रैली करा है, उसने अक्यूमुलेट ज़रूर किया है पहले, accumulation and then a rally, correct? Accumulation and then a rally, accumulation and then a rally. And अगर अभी अपन देखें, if we see the current scenario, we have not accumulated yet. This was the accumulation. We had to rally this way. I was also predicting this, but we got even lower. What are the next levels? First is, you know, somewhere around this region. Now this region is a very important region. Why I am saying this was, जब जब अपन इस लेवल को टेस्ट करें ना, we had a good parabolic move. If we take example of this, we flipped this zone, parabolic move, retested this zone, parabolic move. Correct. So this is our flip-flop zone. Market sustains over this zone and accumulates. From accumulation, then I can target that, you know, this is my invalidation, and these will be my targets. And एक चीज़ जो अपन डे इन डे आउट यूज़ करते हैं, if I remove these two indicators, I don't think so I should remove them. Okay, if you know how I use these EMAs, if you look at the weekly time, correct? So look at the EMAs. They just expanded, correct? On the downward side. 12 and the 21, इसको 12-21 कर देते हैं, 13-23 नहीं. 12 and 21 or 12 and 22. Both make sense. Sorry, I got to go, need to finish very important work. No problem. Okay, if we see this now, if we see this in the monthly time frame also, sorry, in the weekly time frame, happy Makar Sankranti everybody. Okay, if we see this in the weekly time frame, okay, because weekly time frame is, you know, ये cyclic EMA होते हैं, like if they cross we see a good rally, correct? So if we say this, you know, to retest this zone, to retest these highs again, we have to make a high, I think round about here, 105, 106. This is the time, you know, we should accumulate some Bitcoin. I think this would be a good drop for a Bitcoin and equities market, FX market, and every market. And if we see a good drop here, round about here, then I can say this, yes, now we can go lower. But if you are saying that, you know, we are just we are still like going down, then that thing has very less probability. Because if you understand that how we got up, there was a proper structure of getting up, then we made a double top accumulation and then we broke down, correct? तो वही चीज़ मैं यहाँ पर देखना चाहूँगा, अब proper accumulation in this zone, deviations, getting back in the range, and then I can predict, you know, all these targets will get hit. Why? Because that is what we saw on the top. That is the thing that we saw on the top. If you see this very clearly, this is the top. We have a equal high formation. Hello logic, hello Arish. We have a equal high formation, and when the equal high is formed, then we got this. Do you guys agree with me? Is this clear? Let's move on to the next thing. Formation, and let's move on to the next thing, okay? All right. Now if we see the Bitcoin, okay, let's start with Bitcoin. Dollar का अभी तक सबको clear है, I guess. Correct. Now let's see where is Bitcoin and where is what is the things that, you know, we did. Hello Aryan. Clear, 100% clear. Okay. So first, if you remember, we longed this move, okay? You're thinking that, you know, we didn't hold it that much, so that was not intended. Itna hold karna, which means we can expect BTC 22.5k. BTC to 22.5k round about here. Okay, let's do, you know, top to down Bitcoin analysis. Okay, first I said, let's see, you know, what did I said and what did happened. First I said there were shorts that were, you know, not played that good. First I said that, you know, I am shorting this level. There were the stops closing above the level. Then I said that, you know, I am shorting this also. This was a very good trade. You know, that trade closed into break even. We didn't made any profit. Last night on the $50 account, I shorted this and got stopped out here. Why I get stopped out? And $1 we lost, $1.5 I guess. $1.5 we lost Why did we lose that on the $50 account? Because market is just ripping up. Understand one thing, guys, okay? Profits and losses are just a part of the game. You should be knowing where you are shorting, you should be knowing where you are longing. If you guys can say, you know, that these two trades were wrong, that yes, these two trades were wrong, the idea was very wrong. But if you guys say that this trade, if I hold it, ठीक है, लॉन्ग तो फिर ये भी दिया था ना, 30% प्रॉफिट आपका बनता. It just doesn't make any sense, you know, because we are in a market that, you know, it's full of uncertainty. You just can't do things like, you know, that this is not the move, this is not the move. Nobody is correct 100% of the times, but yes. अब बाकी ट्रेड्स का भी टॉप टू डाउन एनालिसिस करेंगे, ओके? And let's see, you know, how much we made this week just by following some certain rules. Okay, first trade was this Bitcoin, 2 shorts and 1 long. Let's see, shorts, we got tracked here about 3-4%, here about 2%, and here about again 2-3%. So total percent of the loss that we did is 10%. Let's make it 20 for you guys, correct? 20% loss we made. If you hold it just, you know, this long, this could have been a 27% move without even using leverage. Okay, I'll do another analysis. Because we didn't hold it this trade, you know, we didn't add it. The market was very bearish. Why the market was bearish? Because short was getting wrecked. कब तक आप shorts को wrecked करोगे? एक टाइम पे फिर shorts build up होना ही बंद हो जाएगा. And then market makers turn that into shorts. Let's see how it happens. Okay, next move. Okay, let's see where we are and where we want to go. If I mark the ranges of BTC, we have the bottom here, and this is the move that, you know, we talked बहुत पहले. Do you guys remember this chart? I have posted this on the group also. Do you guys remember this chart? Yes. Okay, good. You guys remember this chart now? So this is what we are into. But I still don't have the conviction if we don't do this. Okay, I'm telling about everything. कि क्या चीज़ करनी है, क्या चीज़ नहीं करनी है. There are uncertainties, but we have to play the uncertainties also. Yes. Now let's understand, you know, what are the confluences. ठीक है, अगर अपन इस जोन को दोबारा रीटेस्ट करने आते हैं and we form a good accumulation here, then I'll be longing this move. Why I'll be longing? Because we are now inside this range. Okay, this range is irrelevant for me for now. Correct, we are inside this range. If I mark this top to down, if I use the fib top to down, what do I see? The mid level comes around here. अगर थोड़ा और accurate करूँ तो पूरा इस पे ही आता है. Yep, the mid level comes around here. First thing is, क्या ये 50 से नीचे रहकर यहाँ तक आ पाएगा? अगर ये आ पाएगा, then I'll be longing the markets round about here, targeting the mid and the highs. Why I'm doing this? Understand one thing, okay? If we see this now, जब मार्केट रैली किया है, जब मार्केट रैली किया है, मिड लेवल तक आया है, देन एक और हायर हाई बनाया है, और जब भी मार्केट ब्रेक करा है, 50 तक आया है, देन एक लेग डाउन दिया है. तो 50% levels, 50% level is a very important level to short or long the market. Okay, where are my short levels? Yes, the setup, I'll be taking trades. Not this time, you know, I am taking this week, so I don't think so I'll trade. Probably next week के mid तक भी मैं trade नहीं करूँगा. Reason being cause if you see this move ना, अगर ये अपने को 2 बार trap कर सकता है, that means 4 बार और trap कर सकता है. So I'll be staying away from the markets. I'll do, you know, good scalps. Yes, scalps we can take, but not a good position. Correct. अगर आप इसका भी अगर just, you know, if you drop a fib here also, you get the mid level of this also. Correct. So you can just trade this level to level now. Targeting here, stop loss here. One more thing, guys, risk management पे थोड़ा work करो, ठीक है अपना. If you are not with me, like if you are not in guidance of me, you have to work on your risk management. I think that is the best advice I can give it to you. Because if you are right, make most out of it. Even we got stopped out here, not stopped out, we closed this on purpose. करेक्ट. इस रिप पे तो सारी पोजीशंस मैंने भी बंद कर दी थी 15% मूव लेके. बट अगर अपन होल्ड करते, लुक एट दिस मूव, सिग्निफिकेंट 29-30% मूव इट वाज देयर. इट इज़ मैनिपुलेटेड मूव, बट अगर अपन सिर्फ स्टॉप लॉस ट्रेल करते ना, तो आई थिंक वो मूव भी अपन कैप्चर कर लेते. विल बी कैप्चरिंग दीज काइंड्स ऑफ मूव इन द बुल मार्केट, but in the bear market you cannot predict the market, you have to play the market. It is very simple. If you don't understand this concept, then you will get wrecked and wrecked again and again. Okay, why I am saying this level becomes an important support. If you drop these EMAs also, correct, in the weekly time frame, yes, look at this. Now one thing, those who are getting bullish, because I am not bullish and I am not either bearish, I'm just playing within the ranges. Now look at this thing. Okay, before the bull markets, this golden cross, I've been talking about it day in day out before everybody else. So we see a compression of these EMAs. What is compression? These are the EMAs, this is the, ये उनकी बीच की दूरी है. अगर वो EMAs ऐसे compress हो रहे हैं, मतलब narrow down हो रहे हैं, that is the compression of EMAs. And then we do a golden cross. Do we see a compression yet? No, we don't. There is no compression yet. If I see a compression, correct, if I see a compression in the next week, then EMAs must be around here. Then I can target a long, something like this, and then flipped it SL, targeting again the highs. That becomes a fairly decent trade. Is this clear? Correct. If I see a compression, yeah, stream is going good. 15, 6, 7, good. Guys, if you are new here, like the stream. It helps the algo to reach out to more people. Correct. So yes, the basic idea was right. I have talked about this in streams also, that if we clear this ice, we'll likely to go down here. Let's see, how we play the ranges, how we play the markets. एकदम short analysis video है ये, कोई भी ज़्यादा मैं इसमें बड़ा नहीं करना चाहता. 20-25 मिनट अगर अपन स्पेंड करें ना. इफ़ यू गाइज वांट मी टू एनालाइज सम चार्ट्स, प्लीज़ ड्रॉप इट डाउन राइट नाउ, फिर अपन आगे बढ़ते हैं. करेक्ट. डॉलर की अपन ने बात कर दी. डॉलर के अगर लेवल्स देखोगे, आई एम स्टिल वही लेवल्स है अभी तक. वाई वही लेवल्स है? स्टिल वी आर स्टिल नॉट अक्यूमुलेटिंग. ये अक्यूमुलेशन था, बट वी स्टिल गॉट इवन लोअर. ठीक है, तो अब ये रेंज आता है 100-101 का, ये जो रेंज आता है. इफ यू सी अक्यूमुलेशन हियर, देन आई विल बी देन द मार्केट कैन बिकम बेरिश. फिलहाल तक गोल्ड ऑल्सो परफॉर्म्ड वेरी गुड yesterday. The hedge was a very good strategy from me. अगर hedge नहीं करते ना, and hedge में अगर मैं बताऊँ, कल वाला आई थिंक ध्रुव ने पूछा था, अगर ध्रुव यहाँ पर है तो I said that I am hedging, and then shorts के मैंने profit book करे, and then long को मैंने carry किया. This was the trade, I guess. Yes, around here 19. I was shorting the market from 85, 87, and then 1900. Stop loss was 1905. I caught this move towards these highs. I saw bullish divergence. I closed the shorts. I carried the long. I added here also. Same entries पे ये भी थे. And then I played this move. I saw bearish divergence here. I closed the position right above this candle. 905. So yes, I made decent profits. I don't usually trade gold and other commodities. जब मुझे कोई अच्छा trade मिलता है, I always try कि मैं safer side में ही जाऊँ. Silver was also a brilliant trade. I think मनकरन आर्यन को याद होगा. Tomorrow we shorted this level. 12, no, not this level. I think this level. So yes, that trade is in slight. I think we shorted this, and this was our SL. If we close above the zone, then I'll be looking forward to less cut the trades, and I'm targeting the 0.78 level again, around 23.958 वाला. ठीक है, बट अगर मेरे को इसको कंपाउंड करना है, so yes, I can compound this still here. ठीक है, if you are following this also, then these are your invalidations and everything, I think. ठीक है. Yes, this is the exact trade. I traded this. We did profits. Then we are now currently at slight loss. Let's see how it plays also. I'll be updating you guys. Okay, now let's थोड़ा सा summarize कर लेते हैं अपन ने आज कितने, अपन ने 15 दिनों में, cause it is a complete transparent channel that we show profit and losses at the same time. First trade was AVEX. Let's see. FX trade is currently in 54% profit. After that, sushi long, yes, कितने percent में है ये? This only trade is in 40% profit. Of course we didn't hold it. I'm just showing you ना, if अगर hold सच में अपन करते होते तो वो trade currently अपन को कितना profit देती. I know this is irrelevant, but I'm just letting you know, okay, that big moves are just caught by using simple price action. अपन ने प्राइस एक्शन को फॉलो किया तभी अपन ये सारी ट्रेड्स ले पाए. एपीटी वाज आल्सो गुड ट्रेड. वी लॉन्ग्ड हियर एंड वी शॉर्टेड दिस आल्सो. आई थिंक सोल भी बताया था मुझे. यप, सोल इज रिपिंग हायर. ठीक है, जो सोल यहाँ पर डेड बोल रहे थे, नाउ सोल 120-30% प्रॉफिट दे चुका है. 150% तो ऐसे ही उसने प्रॉफिट दे दिया है. एंड इफ़ यू जूम इन, कल अगर याद होगा आर्यन और मनकरन आपको, if you guys please let me know, okay, if I'm lying or not. Just look at this move. This was the long trade of Sol. I think मनकरन और आर्यन दोनों को ये ट्रेड याद होगा. If both of you remember this, that I longed Sol yesterday, please let me know. उसके अलावा I don't think so और किसी ट्रेड में थे अपन. So this was the top to down analysis of every trade that I took. All the trades were very transparent. I don't think so I did anything out of the trading manual that I have. Yes, liya tha trade. Yes. Okay, so let's see how this week goes. I don't think so I'll be trading this week that much. I'll be studying. I'll be focusing on my studies because boards are coming. You guys also, if you're of my age or older, younger than me, please focus on other things also. Trading is just that it is a great skill to acquire, but just don't do it like without any confidence that if you are making losses, try to focus on other things also. Okay, this is your life. You have to take control of this. You don't have to take control of all the things in your life. You just have to prioritize the things that I want to go to gym, I want to trade, I want to learn the markets. Okay, if you just follow that simple strategy, that strategy also can give you lots and lots of benefit. One more thing is, guys, do join the Discord session. Sunday ko I think I'll organize and I'll mark my ranges. The ranges for the next week, for the next month, वो YouTube पे मैं नहीं करूँगा post, because I don't want कि वो ज़्यादा बाहर तक जाए. Correct. वैसे तो नहीं आते इतने views, मेरे को ही पता है, but still I'll be marking ranges. If you are interested, let me know. I'll drag you that time. Okay. मैटिक बोला था, आई थिंक मैटिक को थोड़ा सा चार्ट कर लेते हैं. ये सो एवरी कॉइन जितना भी अपन ने लॉन्ग किया था, सबके सब देखो अपने रेंज हाइस को भी ब्रेक कर दिया ना, एक अच्छा हाई बना रहे हैं. अगर आपको याद होगा ना, क्योंकि अभी मैं इतने सेशंस नहीं कर रहा हूँ तो सबको नहीं पता होगी ये बातें, बट यस, एवरी थिंग इज गोइंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्लान. We said that BTC will outperform the market now, and BTC is outperforming the market now. Now alts will get weak. Mark my words. BTC is outperforming the market now. Alts will get weak. After that, the biggest dump will come. Why I am saying this? Just look at the graph. If I open the chart of BTC, ये चीज़ आपने I don't think so notice करी होगी, because you are just BTC रेंज हाई से अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ से कितना पंप किया है? 13%. लेट मी शो यू इथीरियम. रेंज हाइज इसके बने थे इधर, करेक्ट. इधर से कितना पंप किया है? 13%. इफ़ यू नो द गेयरिंग रेशियो और वट एवर यू कॉल इट, गेयरिंग रेशियो ऑफ BTC एंड इथीरियम कैन नॉट बी सेम. अगर इन दोनों का सेम होता, दैट मीन्स वो दोनों सेम वॉल्यूम के कॉइन्स है. What does that mean? That means that BTC is outperforming the market. If BTC is outperforming the market, if you know the cycle, how money flows, okay, don't forget the cycles of the market. If you know how money flows in the market, the money flows BTC, alt, shit, alt, BTC, alt, shit. This is the cycle of the market. First the shitcoin pumps, then the altcoin pumps, then the BTC pumps. When the altcoin is pumping, BTC is consolidating. When the BTC is pumping, these two are consolidating, not giving that much returns. Then the alt pumps, then the shit pumps, and this cycle returns to this. Now let me show you. Let me show you the data now. Everything is going to the plan, I'm telling you. This was the pump of Doge. Doge pumped 50% when BTC was consolidated. 22 November. Let's look at BTC, where BTC was. 22 November. Look at BTC. It was consolidating. Now let's move on to ETH. ETH was pumping where? It was pumping here. Correct. This was the move. यहाँ तक जब BTC था, ETH 10% पम्प कर चुका था. आफ्टर दैट जब BTC रेंज हाइज पर था, इथेरियम यहाँ पर था, 14% पम्प कर चुका था. Now Ethereum just pumped after clearing the range highs. Look at this, yaar. How much does it drop? Are you guys understanding me? Are you guys able to know what I'm saying, or it is just going above your head? You can see the strength of BTC, okay? So I think everything is clear now. Just have a clear picture in your mind. Doesn't matter bullish, bearish. It's just a part that how you are trading the markets, how well your mindset is. And I don't think so there is anything that is going across the plan. Yes, trades can go across the plan, but you should know where market is heading. Correct. If you know where market is heading in the future, then you can plan your trades according to that. If you don't know where market is going, where money is flowing, what is macroeconomics, what is that, this, then you can never trade the market. You can just say, it is just a trap that we are getting trapped also. If you look at VIX also, if you guys don't know it, don't ask me. Go Google it. Okay. If you know. जब अपन VIX के इस level पर आए हैं, okay, the times that we tapped this level, I think EXO covered this also. You can see the moves that it created, they were very significant, correct? You can see, how it is just making a bullish divergence. Let's see, how it plays out. But don't, short the market just right now. Why I'm saying this? Because if BTC can literally, outperform the market, then it will outperform it many times. है ना? और if we are in a bull market also, हाँ मैंने को काफ़ी देख रहा था. हाँ तो बुल मार्केट के भी वही सिनेरियोज हैं यार. आई डोंट थिंक सो जब तक वो 200 के ऊपर नहीं आता तब तक कोई बुल मार्केट प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं. सबसे अच्छा टूल यही है यार. इसके ऊपर अगर क्लोज कर रहा है मार्केट, देन येस वी आर, इसको अक्यूमुलेट करना ज़रूरी होगा. ऐसा कोई अगर कंप्रेस होकर क्रॉस बनता है गोल्डन, देन यू कैन बाय योर स्पॉट बैग्स हियर. आई एम गिविंग एवरीथिंग फॉर फ्री. ट्राई टू लर्न इट, ओके. डोंट जस्ट ट्राई टू क्वेश्चन दैट ऐसा क्यों हुआ, वैसा क्यों हुआ. यू कैन नेवर आउट परफॉर्म द मार्केट. आई एम टेलिंग यू राइट नाउ. अगर आपको पता है आपको लॉसेस कट कहाँ पर करने हैं, प्रॉफिट्स कहाँ पर एक्सटेंड करने हैं, then you can play the market. Don't try to compete with market. Okay, everything सब रेक्ट होते हैं, ट्रस्ट मी. जो बेयर्स थे वो इस बार रेक्ट हुए, बुल्स रेक्ट होंगे नेक्स्ट साइकिल में. डजंट मैटर. जस्ट ट्रेड द रेंजेस, जस्ट ट्रेड विद इन योर प्लान. this is the advice that I am giving to you guys. Please admire these things, please apply these things. These things will matter how good you are going to do in 2023 and the upcoming years. Correct? You guys don't understand the ranges, then I'll be posting these ranges on Discord also. But how I am going to do the rest half of this January. 15 दिन हो गए ना, क्योंकि I don't think so I'll be trading that much. And one more thing guys, those who are in the $50 challenge, I want to notify one thing to you guys. I made a very slight mistake that when I did the $50 to $90 का मैंने एक भी ट्रेड शेयर नहीं किया था. मैंने शेयर किया था जब वो 80 पे था, 80 से 90 का. ठीक है, तो इफ़ यू आर इन द $50 चैलेंज, इफ़ योर पोर्टफोलियो इज़ $50, देन इट विल क्रिएट अ ह्यूज ब्लंडर, क्योंकि $90 का पोजीशन साइजिंग अलग होगा, 50 का अलग होगा. तो आई थिंक आई शुड रीसेट द चैलेंज अगेन, टर्न माई पोर्टफोलियो इनटू $50 and then start the challenge again, but not right now. Is this clear? If you don't believe me that I turned that, you can just look at this. Let me show you. Why I'm proving, I don't even know. It's just that yes. One second guys. ओके hmm. This was the starting balance. Correct. So this was the starting balance that we started with $50. 1 तारीख 7वीं तारीख पहला महीना और 10 बज के 30 मिनट पे. This is the only deposit. Okay. You can see the time, the ye, everything you can see. After that, what happened? Let's see. After 2 to 3 trades, the $50 was $72. After that, I gave the trades and we did 300% profit. After 300%, the balance was $91. So that is approx. How much is this? 90%? I think 90%. Correct. So 90% gains we made in the markets, in the bear market in 3 days. So I think that is a huge gain. And whenever I make a big profit, ROI dekhe to of course it is a big. I'm not blabbering. Okay, don't just say that I'm selling something. Just listen to me very carefully. Okay. If you guys want to cope up with me, and if your portfolio is good, I would still suggest go for the quality trades. The quality trades will be for free. I'm not trading, these times. The reason being, you can see, everything here. If you are not joined this group, then you can ask जो भी इसमें join है. I think Nez हैं और Arish and Azrael and many people. I don't even know. Yogi and Aviral से पूछ सकते हो, I think सब यहाँ पर ही है. Second thing is, okay, so this was the proof. Most of you ask for that. So ज़रूरी होता है ये भी देना. Second thing, I think we should reset it to again $50 or to $100. You guys let me know. ठीक है. $100 से थोड़ा और इजी हो जाएगा क्योंकि 100 का डबल 200 होगा एंड 50 का डबल 100 होगा. तो ऐसे चैलेंजेस अगर करने हैं तो मुझे बता देना, लेकिन इसकी बस एक ही कंडीशन है कि आपका जो पोर्टफोलियो है वो ओवर होना चाहिए $500 या ओवर होना चाहिए $300. क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहता कि आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ $50 के पोर्टफोलियो में से $50 ही मेरे को दे दो और मैं उससे जो है ट्रेड करूँ. ये जो ट्रेड्स होंगे बहुत शार्प ट्रेड्स होंगे. ओके, शार्प ट्रेड्स मीन्स द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस दोनों ही ज़्यादा हो सकता है. वाई आई एम सेइंग दिस बिकॉज इफ़ यू आर डूइंग अ चैलेंज, ओके, जब आपको पता है चैलेंजेस कैसे होते हैं. चैलेंजेस में रिस्क ज़्यादा लेना पड़ता है. रिस्क मतलब मेरी स्ट्रैटेजी 1% वाली है, दैट इज़ द बेस्ट स्ट्रैटेजी एवर. बट इन दिस अकाउंट आई हैव टू यूज़ 20% ऑफ द अकाउंट इन वन ट्रेड, 10% ऑफ द अकाउंट इन वन ट्रेड, इवन 30%. दैट इज़ कि इसमें रिस्क ज़्यादा हो सकता है. आई एम स्टिल वार्निंग यू गाइज. I'm not a financial advisor. If your portfolio is big, then only give the $50 to yourself. It is not copy trading. Correct? If you guys want, then I'll reset it to $50 and we'll start this. But always remember, whenever we make losses, we'll stop it for 2 days, we'll start again. Start again means, if we make loss of $10, then it will be 40 and then we trade. I'll let you know, guys. Okay. Please let me know about that. I'll be giving copy trades, not copy trades, the high probability trades. You can trade with that and you can see, if you like that thing or not. जिस बार भी आपको लगे that अब मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा ट्रेडर डीआर पे, you can just text me. अगर वो $50 का पोर्टफोलियो है एंड अगर मेरी वजह से लाइक लॉस हो गया आपका कुछ, तो then yes, you can leave the group also. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a trader. I can show you the results also. Okay, I'm not scared of the results. But just don't just put everything into this challenge, because this is just a challenge. Okay, like you're challenging your skill or you're challenging something. Is this clear, guys? I'll let you know, guys. Okay, when I reset the amount, and well, I'll update you guys. Is everything clear? And well, I'll 50-500 करते हैं, उसके बाद 500 से 5000. मनी प्रिंटिंग मशीन थोड़ी हो. वी कैन ट्राई दैट ना, बट उसके लिए मार्केट कंडीशंस भी एप्लीकेबल होनी चाहिए. लेट मी टेल यू अ स्टोरी. ओके, अ गुड ट्रेडर, यू नो, a good trader, when a good trader is in a, you know, if the market is giving and you know everything, अगर सब चीज़ अपन लाइन में रख देना, there are only 20 trades जो आपको चाहिए to convert your 10k portfolio into 1 million. It is reality. Okay, you can search it on Google. You can convert 10k into 1 million but just by 20 good trades. That is what it takes, you know. But if you just make two blunders, that 1 million converts into 100k. तो दैट इज़, यू नो, कि अपन किस लेवल पे ट्रेड करते हैं. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू नो, मैनी थिंग्स. एक और चीज़ गाइज, आई थिंक यूट्यूब पे अपन को थोड़ा कंटेंट डालना चाहिए फ्री में. अभी आपके पास कोई सजेशंस है तो प्लीज़ लेट गिव मी दो सजेशंस. आई थिंक दिल बी गुड, यू नो. आई ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड कि आप लोगों को क्या चाहिए. आई थिंक रेंजेस पे एक अपन वीडियो डाल सकते हैं, हाउ टू मार्क द रेंजेस. बट लेट्स सी, आप डिस्कॉर्ड पे मुझे बता देना. आई थिंक सब कुछ अपन ने क्लियर कर लिया. एसपीएक्स का नेक्स्ट व्यू मांग रहे थे. एसपीएक्स का ये सेटअप अभी तक वैलिड है, बट एक और सेटअप है जो यू नो मैंने अभी रिसेंटली नोटिस किया है. इफ़ यू ओपन एसपीएक्स, what are our range highs, if you understand? Okay, this is the range that we are playing in. Where did we flipped? जो मेरा बेसिक स्टाइल है, जो that I do, you know, we flipped around the 0.5 region. If we are likely to make a double top here, then we come down. It can be a possibility, and I think that is the time when dollar makes a bottom and then we start squeezing lower. Correct. So हाँ, multiple confluences है इन चीज़ों में. Be active on Insta so we can drive Insta traffic on YT and Telegram. Yes, we are working on Insta also. I think Monday से वो चीज़ भी शुरू हो जाएगी. But traffic is just, you know, that वो लोग आज होंगे कल नहीं होंगे. I want a strong community. कि अगर 10 लोग भी हैं तो 10 के 10 जो हैं एक यूनिट की तरह काम करें. करेक्ट. दैट इज़ मोर लाइकली कि वो चीज़ सक्सेसफुल हो सकती है रादर देन 1 मिलियन या 1,000 लोग होने से. I always say, you know, I don't need sheep. I need lions. If I have 10,000 sheep, that doesn't make any sense. But if I have 100 lions or 10 lions, that can destroy a whole country. That is the thing, you know, that I want to create in 2023. I'll be updating you guys. Be active on Discord, and yes, I think I have given that double setup. You have given very good, Dhuru. Okay. I think this is it from my side. If you guys have any questions regarding anything, you can ask. I'll be here 10 more minutes. You guys have any questions, please ask. Otherwise, we'll go. Those who are trading the markets, please don't expose yourself to leverage. If you are exposing yourself to leverage, then you are likely going to get wrecked again. Whenever you make a big profit or a big loss, try to make a, you know, small break trading in trading. If you guys have any questions, do let me know. I'll answer them right now. I'm here 10 more minutes. 7 people are watching. Very good. Try to make a, you know, how to deal with procrastination. I don't really, you know, let these things overcome over me. For a time, you know, काफ़ी टाइम से मैंने ये चीज़ सीखी है that if you are really dedicated towards your work will give it to you. For example, if we take the example of studies, okay. अच्छा हाँ, एक और चीज़ गाइज, अभी तक लाइक नहीं करा तो प्लीज़ लाइक ज़रूर करना. एक BT7 स्मॉल टाइप अभी करते हैं, ठीक है ना. तो प्रोकास्टिनेशन कैसे वर्क करता है ना, इफ़ यू अलाउ योर माइंड, जैसे अगर मेरा वर्क रूटीन मैं बताऊँ, आई हैव टू चार्ट 4 hours, you know, वो चीज़ मैं हमेशा करता हूँ, एवरी डे. डजेंट मैटर मार्केट इज़ मेकिंग लॉस और प्रॉफिट, जस्ट अ पार्ट. आई एम मेकिंग 4 hours of charting a day, 4 hours of giving time to the charts. making my setups, seeing the probability of the market, seeing the higher picture, then I think I'm doing good. जब तक मेरे लिए कोई मेरी साइकोलॉजी पे ना ही कोई फ़र्क पड़ेगा, जब तक ना ही कोई प्रोकास्टिनेशन की चीज़ मुझे रोक पाएगी. बट इफ़ आई एम जस्ट lying on bed, if I'm just lying on bed, like a small kid, then that thing will target my psychology, that what I'm doing. I'm just lying on the bed. The time is running. My life is running. The breath that you are taking, अगर वो breath आपको नहीं आती, you are dead. As simple as that. Nothing above it, nothing below it. Please try to enjoy life and have a smile on your face, because you are alive, man. I don't think so there is any other explanation to that. बाकी यहाँ प्रोकास्टिनेशन करने ना करने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है, कीप योर सेल्फ इन अ टाइट शेड्यूल. डोंट लेट दिस थिंग्स ओवरकम यू. BTC on a smaller time frame, I don't see anything on the smaller time frame. I just see it will squeeze higher or lower, and it will just liquidate both shorts and longs. If you see the liquidation of tomorrow, if you know how BTC liquidates the main thing, then you can understand कि वो कैसे बस liquidate करके ही long जा रहा है. Correct? You have to understand the psychology of the market first. Of course the market will fall at some point, but अपन उसको कैसे play करते हैं वो ज़्यादा matter करता है. Okay, this level market came down to here and then it's coming there, and doesn't matter. I think yes, this is it, guys. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me on Discord, and I'll not be trading. The reason being is I'll be studying. Okay, it doesn't matter if I make profit or loss. I'll have time to do other things also. That's the best part about trading. Correct. और हाँ, जिसको लग रहा है कि मेरा लॉस हुआ है, वो जो सुबह मैंने वीडियो डिस्कॉर्ड पर पोस्ट किया था, इट वाज अ पन. ओके, आई लाइक टू पोस्ट मीम्स अ लॉट. I'll be posting these kinds of stuff. That doesn't mean I'm making profit or losses. It's just a part. I mean, doesn't matter if you're making profit or losses. If your idea is correct, then you're going to make in the long run. Okay, I'll be doing a good challenge यार. बहुत अभी तो नहीं, एक साल. I think next year I'll be doing 10k to 1 million, $10,000 to 1 million in the span of 5 years. So this is my ultimate target, that I'll be doing this 5 year, 10 year, doesn't matter. With my fellow traders also, there will just not be me, there will be many traders that are going to do this challenge. And ये idea मुझे trader exo से आया, that I should also do a big challenge. But वो बड़े time frame के लिए हो सकता है. If you follow some traders, they can just turn 10k into 1 million in span of 2 weeks. This is reality. You master this skill ना, it is very high paying skill, trust me. But वो बड़े time frame के लिए. Okay, I think we should end the live stream now. I'll be there in it. Let's see who stays for 1 year. I have very less expectation, to be honest. I don't expect now. Yes, 2 weeks. Reality. It's reality. I know. I told you, it just takes 20 good trades to make 10k into 1 million. If you are wise enough, if you know how to manage your risk in such high volatile let me give you an example. 10k to 1 million, that is like 1000% return, I would say. ये इतना सा मूवी I'll be there, mark my words. Okay, ये इतना सा मूवी आपको 10k to 1 million बना ही देगा. क्या बड़ी बात है. 2 वीक में बनाना तो थोड़ा मुश्किल रहता है, बट हाँ, अगर आप सच में ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट कुछ अच्छे ट्रेंड्स पकड़ लेते हो ना, अच्छी लेवरेज के साथ, अच्छा पोजीशन साइजिंग, देन हाँ, ये 30-40% मूव, या आप 40%, 50% ऐसे था, 50% में लेवरेज मिला दो तो बस भुजिया भुजिया बना के खाओ. चलो गाइस, चलता हूँ मैं अब, ठीक है. टू लेट मी नो दैट if you enjoyed the stream, make sure you hit the like. Everything that I said today is just my view of the market. I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't give any financial advice. Please manage your risk, and जो भी आज मैंने बताया वो एक ट्रेडिंग पर्सपेक्टिव से था, मार्केट का व्यू था. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next live stream or the Discord session. Bye bye.